Welcome to Top 10 Bangladesh. Today we are talking about the top 17 tourist spots at Dhaka. 1. Ahsan Manzil. Location at Dhaka. Ahsan Manzil was the official residential place and seat of the Nawab of Dhaka. The building is situated at Kumartoli along the banks of the Buriganga River in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Its construction was started in 1859 and was completed in 1872. It was constructed in the Indo-Sharnik Revival architecture. It has been designated as a national museum. 2. Lal Bagh Fort. Location at Dhaka. Lal Bagh Fort, also Fort Agrabad, is an incomplete 17th century Mughal fort complex that stands before the Buriganga River in the southern part of Dhaka, Bangladesh. The construction was started in 1678-80 by Mughal Subedar Muhammad Azam Shah, who was the son of Emperor Aurangzeb and later Emperor himself. His successor Shaista Khan did not continue the work, thought he stayed in Dhaka up to 1688. 3. Sonargaon. Location at Naranganj. Sonargaon, pronounced as Sonarga, meaning Golden Hamlet, is a historic city in central Bangladesh. It corresponds to the Sonargaon Upazila of Naranganj district in Dhaka division. Sonargaon is one of the old capitals of the historic region of Bengal and was an administrative center of eastern Bengal. It was also a river port. Sonargaon gained importance during the Delhi Sultan. It was the capital of the Sultani rule by Fakhruddin Mubarak Shah and his son Ikhtiar Uddin Ghazi Shah. Sonargaon draws many tourists each year in Bangladesh. 4. International Mother Language Institute. Location at Dhaka. International Mother Language Institute IMLI is a statutory body in Bangladesh whose function is the preservation of languages. Declaration of 21st February as the International Mother Language Day by the United Nations on 17th November 1999 is an unprecedented event not only for Bangla language but also in the history of all mother languages of the world. Construction started on 6 April 2003 and it was officially completed on 21st February 2010. In 2015, UNESCO applied Category 2nd Institute status to International Mother Language Institute. 5. Bangladesh National Museum. Location at Dhaka. The Bangladesh National Museum is the national museum of Bangladesh. The museum is well organized and displays have been housed chronologically in several departments like the Department of Ethnography and Decorative Art, Department of History and Classical Art, Department of Natural History and Department of Contemporary and World Civilization. The museum also has a rich conservation laboratory. Nalini Kanta Battashi served as the first curator of the museum during 1914 to 1947. 6. Liberation War Museum. Location at Dhaka. The Liberation War Museum is also called Mukti Juddho Jadughar, is a museum in Shere Bangla Nagar, Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh, which commemorates the Bangladesh Liberation War that led to the independence of Bangladesh from Pakistan. The Liberation War Museum began under the initiative of an 8-person board of trustees as a means of preserving the memory of the 1971 Liberation War. 7. National Martyrs Monument. Location at Shavar. National Martyrs Memorial is also called Jatiyo Sriti Shoudho, is the national monument of Bangladesh set up in the memory of those who died in Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971, which brought independence and separated Bangladesh from Pakistan. The monument is located in Shavar, about 35 km northwest of the capital Dhaka. It was designed by Syed Moinul Hussain and built by Concord Group. 8. National Parliament House. Location at Dhaka. Jatiyo সংসদ Bhavan or National Parliament House is the House of the Parliament of Bangladesh, located at Shere Bangla Nagar in the Bangladeshi capital of Dhaka. Designed while the country was still part of Pakistan by architect Louis Khan, the complex is one of the largest legislative complexes in the world, comprising 200 acres, 8 lakh square meters. 9. Baitul Mukarram Mosque. Location at Dhaka. Baitul Mukarram, also spelled as Baitul Mukarram, is the national mosque of Bangladesh. Located at the center of Dhaka, capital of Bangladesh, the mosque was completed in 1968. It has a capacity of 40,000. The mosque has several modern architectural features, whilst at the same time it preserves the national principles of Mughal architecture, which has for some time been dominated in the Indian subcontinent. Baitul Mukarram's large cove shape was modeled after that of the Kaaba at Makkah, making it a noticeable structure, being unlike any other mosque in Bangladesh. 10. Hussaini Dalan. Location at Dhaka. The Hussaini Dalan is an imam barak that was originally built during the latter half of the Mughal rule in the 17th century in Dhaka. It was built as the imam barak of the Shah Muslim community. Hussaini Dalan serves as the main Husainiya of Dhaka or venue for majlis or gathering held during the month of Muharram. 10th day religious gathering commemorates the martyrdom of Hussain, the grandson of the Islamic prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. 11. Bangladesh National Zoo. Location at Dhaka. Bangladesh National Zoo is a zoo located in the Mirpur section of Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. The zoo contains many native and non-native animals and wildlife and hosts about 3 million visitors each year. The name of the zoo has been changed from 5 February 2015 from Dhaka Zoo to Bangladesh National Zoo. Established in 1974, the 186-acre, 75-hectare Dhaka Zoo is the largest zoo in Bangladesh and is operated by the Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock. 12. Curzon Hall. Location at Dhaka. The Curzon Hall is a British Raj era building and home of the Faculty of Sciences at the University of Dhaka. The building was originally intended to be a town hall and is named after Lord Curzon, the Viceroy of India, who laid its foundation stone in 1904. Upon the establishment of Dhaka University in 1921, it became the base of the university's science faculty. The Botanical Garden of the university is located on the premises of Curzon Hall and is used by the students and faculty for teaching botany and for scientific students with plants. One of the best examples of Dhaka's architecture, it is a heavy blend of European and Mughal elements, particularly noticeable in the projecting feast in the north, which has both horseshoe and cusped arches. 13. Kakrail Mosque and Tabligh Markaz, location at Dhaka. Kakrail Mosque is a mosque located near Ramna Park, Dhaka, Bangladesh. It is the center of Tabligh Jamaat in Bangladesh. Maulana Zubair Ahmed was the Imam of the Kakrail Mosque and a leader of a faction of the Tabligh Jamaat. 14. Star Mosque, location at Dhaka. Star Mosque, also known as Tara Masjid, is a mosque located in the Armanitola area, Dhaka, Bangladesh. The mosque was ornate designs and it was built in the first half of 19th century by Mirza Ghulam Pir, Mirza Ahmed Jan, decorated with motifs of blow stars. The mosque is one of the very few examples of exclusive Chini Tikri mosaic found in the striking blow star mosaic, which gave the mosque its name Star Mosque. In 1987, the prayer hall was extended by the Department of Architecture to include 2 more domes. 15. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Safari Park, location at Gazipur. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Safari Park is a safari park in Gazipur, Bangladesh. This safari park is spread over 3,810 acres, 1,542 hectares of sal forest, which makes it one of the largest safari parks in the world and the largest in Asia. It was inaugurated on October 31st, 2013. It is located about 40 km north of Bangladesh capital city Dhaka, near the Dhaka-Mymensingh highway. The park is divided into 5 major sections. They are the Kori Safari, Safari Kingdom, Biodiversity Park, Extensive Asian Safari Park, and Bangabandhu Square. 16. Botanical Garden, location at Dhaka. The National Botanic Garden of Bangladesh and the Bangladesh National Herbarium make up the largest plant conservation center in Bangladesh, with an area of around 84 hectares, 210 acres. It is located at Mirpur in Dhaka, besides the Dhaka Zoo. It was established in 1961. 17. Central Shohid Minar, location at Dhaka. The Shohid Minar is also known as Martyr Monument, is a national monument in Dhaka, Bangladesh, established to commemorate those killed during the Bengali language movement demonstration of 1952 in then East Pakistan. On 21st and 22 February 1952, students from Dhaka University and Dhaka Medical College and political activities were killed when the Pakistani police force opened fire on Bengali posters who were demanding official status for their native tongue of Bengali. Thanks for being with us. Keep watching Top 10 BD. For the more latest video, subscribe Top 10 BD.